Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to buy Robux using your Cash App. First, open your web browser or the Roblox app and log into your Roblox account. Once you are logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see the Robux icon there. Click on Robux to open the Robux purchase page. Now you will see different Robux packages. Take your time and choose the package you want to buy. Click on the package that fits your needs and budget. After selecting a package, Roblox will take you to the payment screen. On the payment screen, you will see a list of payment methods. From that list, select credit or debit card. This is important because the Cash App Cash Card works like a normal debit card. Next, Roblox will ask you to fill in your card information. You will see a section that says Pay with Card. First, enter your email address. Make sure the email is correct in case you receive a receipt. Then enter your card information. Type in your Cash App card number. After that, enter the expiration date using the month and year on your card. Then enter the CVC code from the back of your card. Next, enter the cardholder name. This should be the full name shown on your Cash App card. After that, select your country or region. Once all the information is filled in correctly, confirm the payment. If everything goes through, your Robux will be purchased using your Cash App Cash Card and added to your account. Thanks for watching.